Welcome back to Blue Design Lab. I am Guru. Today we are modeling exercise 26 from SOLIDWORKS, and this part is a stepped cylindrical bushing. It features a central 24 inner bore. It also has a middle flange and a groove. We will create a half sketch and then we will use the revolve boss base feature to model it instantly. Finally, we will add the 2 by 45-degree chamfers. Let's open SOLIDWORKS and get started. So first we need to close this exercise and we can start from a sketch. Select new part and then select OK. Select any plane, top plane, go to sketch, go to sketch tab and select circle and create a circle like this. And go to smart dimension and measure it for 24 mm, 32 mm, 36 mm and 44 mm. Select OK. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base. Select direction from mid plane and select this sketch and extrude it up to 36 mm. You can show the sketch from here and go to extrude boss base. Select the plane. Uncheck this merge results and extrude it up to 36 mm. Edit this feature, sketch control delete clear selection and only select this region and then select OK. And now we can extrude this outer surface. Then we select extrude boss face, select this line, clear this selection and select this region and extrude it up to 8 mm. Hide this sketch. Go to fillet tab and select chamfer and chamfer it for 2 mm with respect to 45-degree angle and select these corners and then select OK. You can see here the chamfer will be applied. And now we can cut extrude cut extrude applied here. So we can select a plane like right plane and then select a sketch. Select corner rectangle go to smart dimension and measure it for 4 mm and 3 mm. And here to here is 35 mm, 32 mm. Select OK. Sorry guys, here the dimension are missing. Select it for 35 mm. This one is 35 mm. Create a center line for reference. Midpoint line. Then select OK. Go to Features tab select extrude cut, sorry, revolve cut, and at the axis of revolution, select these lines and then select OK. You can see here results will applied. Select this face and we can edit it in appearance. Then select OK. Select this face. We can select each face by one, and then after we can apply a whole color by selecting this. Select OK. And that completes exercise 26 using the revolve process feature. Made modeling this a step bussing fast and efficient. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the dimensions or constants. Thank you for watching. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab. I will see you in the next video. Keep designing. Thank you guys.